Cleaning your ComfortGel BLUE mask and tubing before the first use and every day is very important. For best results, the mask should be disassembled. To remove the comfort flap and cushion, lift up under the base on each side of the ring. Remove the flap and separate the cushion from the flap. Wash the mask parts and disconnected tubing in warm water with mild soap. Avoid soap with conditioners or moisturizers. Do not use bleach, alcohol, or cleaning solutions containing bleach or alcohol. Rinse thoroughly with water and air dry out of direct sunlight. Be sure the mask and tubing are dry before use. Some people simply wash and rinse the tubing during their morning shower and then hang it in the shower to dry. The headgear does not need to be removed for daily cleaning. However, it should be washed weekly or as needed. It can be washed by hand in warm soapy water or in the washing machine on the gentle cycle. If washed in the machine, attach the headgear tabs to the straps so they don't latch onto other items in the laundry. Lay the headgear flat or line dry. Do not place it into the dryer. If your mask and tubing still contain moisture when you're ready to use them at night, connect them to your PAP device and blow the water out before you put the mask on. The mask and tubing must be dry before use. Be sure to inspect your mask and tubing for damage or wear, such as cracking or tears. Discard and replace any parts as necessary. To reassemble your mask, follow these steps. Place the cushion into the faceplate, making sure that the notch for the nose is at the top, closest to the forehead pad. Position the comfort flap with the integrated ring on the cushion, again with the notch for the nose at the top and the size indicator at the bottom. Slide the flap downward over the cushion and press firmly until all three sides click into place. Gently tug on the cushion and the ring to make sure all the parts are securely in place.